Okay, I'm going to show you here now how to add a Google form for attendance to your phone where you don't have to chase this email every single time. Now this particular video is for Android. I'm also going to do one for the iPad or iPhone as well. Nice thing about this, like I say, it creates a shortcut on your phone so you don't have to go back to Gmail, find the form every single time to fill it out. So I'm going to click on and go to this form right here, and it takes my computer a second I'm casting to the computer. It takes it a second to catch up, but it's going to open the form that you guys would fill out. And this is Glenn Whiteman's form here, so obviously it's not the same form. You would do this with your own form, whichever class it might be. So what I'm going to do is create a shortcut on my phone. Again, if you noticed, I was actually in my Gmail to find this form, but I'm going to add it as a desktop shortcut to my phone. So I'm going to come up here to the little three dots that are in the upper right hand corner just below the time where it says 2:26 on my phone right now. I'm going to click on them, and I'm going to say add to home screen, and it'll let me name it to whatever I want. Whiteman Lift Group makes good sense, so I'm going to click add. So the nice thing is, when I go back to my home screen, I've got that. And if you look down there toward the bottom, it's in purple. It says Whiteman Lift Group. I can click on that, and it's going to take me to that form. And this form is self-generating. By that I mean, once you submit it to us one time, the next time you click on it, it's another submission. So it's an endless form. It doesn't have to be recreated every time. It lets you submit over and over and over and over again. So obviously here I would just put the date, who's attended. If I had anybody else that I needed to add, I could scroll down to the bottom, go under other, just comma separate those names if you can, and hit submit, and we've got an attendance form. And then again, you can go right back once you're done, click on this same Whiteman Lift Group form, and it'll be there forever. If you don't like where it put it, you can hold it down on the Android device and move it between screens. My home screen has the clock on it here. And I'm going to put it right under Outlook and Facebook just by grabbing it and holding it and moving it. So the nice thing is it's portable, but you can create a shortcut, and that'll work for anything that you may have. So hopefully this helps you understand a little bit better how to get that form and how to keep it accessible for you, so you don't have to go through the drudgery of looking at an email every single time just to get the form. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to help you. Feel free to send me an email.